Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Way to Programming channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be part of this family. It takes nothing to subscribe, it is free and you will get to learn the good stuff only on this channel. So yes, do subscribe if you haven't already, and I would also request you to click on the like button below this video if you like the video. It kind of gives me the inspiration to make more of such videos, and also let me know in the comments how you are liking these videos, or if you want some improvement or some other topic covered, because ultimately I make these videos for you only, and your feedback will help me improve and also inspire me to make many other good videos. In this video, we're going to talk about virtual reality and augmented reality. These two sound similar, but they're not. I was actually talking to someone who thought that these two were the same and didn't really know the difference. So I thought this video will be helpful for many out there who don't really know the exact difference between these two terms. I will first give you the definition of these terms and try to differentiate them that way, and then we'll expound other aspects of these two technologies if I feel like doing so, because I think the example that I have picked will actually make it very clear. So I will give you a few examples in the end, and I'm sure it will definitely make the difference clear. So starting with virtual reality, as its name suggests, it is virtual, which means it is not real and it is part of imagination. So you imagine it. A simple definition of virtual reality is a technology to create a simulated environment. The word augment means you are adding something to something. Augmented reality means that you are adding something to already existing reality. And a simple definition of augmented reality is that you are real world objects are enhanced. So like I told you, in augmented reality you're adding something to something. So very simple definition would be that real world objects are enhanced by computer generated models. Right? Now, what are models? What is a model? Model is not real. Model is not a real thing. It is in fact an abstraction or an abstract idea, or in simple words, it is a representation of something that you want to create, right? When something is to be made in the real world, its model is created first. So that kind of gives you the idea of how it would look like when you actually create it, right? So I hope you understand now what virtual reality and augmented reality is. As you saw, in augmented reality, real world objects are enhanced by computer generated models. Now, so in virtual reality, you kind of step into the imagination or imaginary world. So in virtual reality, you are stepping into the imaginary world. But in augmented reality, your imagination is made part of your world. Okay? In virtual reality, you need to wear some virtual reality gadgets and become part of that digital world, and physical world kind of vanishes. For example, this girl is wearing a virtual reality headset, so she's not able to see objects in the surroundings. And this is what she's actually looking at. So she has kind of stepped into the virtual world. The physical world has vanished. So that was an example of virtual reality. And speaking of augmented reality, holograms or holographic projections are an example of augmented reality, where it seems like certain objects are in your environment, but actually they are in a virtual environment. Virtual information is made part of the real environment. It's like creating a 3D image in the physical world. And an example of augmented reality is studio effects used in weather news channels, they have this big screen behind them where maps of different countries are shown, and sometimes longitudinal or latitudinal information is shown. So the digital images or the virtual images behind the person are made part of his or her reality. And another example is virtual tours. So in virtual tours, what happens is people don't really have to visit a certain place. They can get some idea with the information in the holographic projection, and it has been used in many scenarios. It is used in many scenarios, and there are also schools and colleges that make use of these holographic projections. And so yeah, this is also an example of augmented reality. It gives you the idea about the location or geography or many other features if you want to see. Sometimes it is also called 360-degree view, but it is like the digital image or the digital virtual reality is actually made part of your physical reality. So virtual tours are also an example, but I can't really use someone else's content or video in my lectures. So if you can Google this one video, there is a video. If you Google a whale in a classroom hologram, you will find a 7D hologram video. This video is the perfect example of augmented reality. You will see that in the video it seems like there is a whale in the room and water is all around, but in reality that is just a projection. So that is the perfect example of augmented reality. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like it. If you're new, subscribe and let me know if you want any topic covered. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.